husband Kunal, and I have a son, 14 years old, Daksh Gupta. What brought me here was like 4 years back. My brother did an LCP course from here, and he told me that what his wordings were that it's a must-do program. So, but that time Daksh was 10 years old, and I did not have much issues with him. So he was all okay. I was a very good mother, all the time with him, and he was listening to me. So everything was very good that time. So, but still, for his respect, for my brother's respect, I attended one-day workshop from Parvarish. So yeah, I liked it a lot, and उस दिन तो ऐसा लगा that I could see Touch when he was born ना, जैसे उस दिन वैसी वाली feeling आ रही थी that when Touch was born. So I really felt very good. But then I thought that I don't need it. I mean, I don't have much issues with Touch. So then I just dropped it and the chapter just closed. But उसके बाद क्या हुआ, धीरे धीरे his aggression increased a lot. So मुझे लग रहा था कि I am always with him, but still he was not sharing with me. He wanted to stay alone in his house, and फिर वो जब ये lockdown हुआ, so it made even more worse. We were under one roof, but he was in his own room. I was in my own room. Like he did not allow me to enter his room. और जब भी मैं जाती थी, he used to shout at me, and he used to just tell me that just go out, and always being irritated, and sometimes because of him, me and my husband started having fights, because I mean उसकी वजह से ऐसा लगता था यार वो सारा दिन ही घर में एक टेंशन वाला एटमॉस्फेयर रहता है सब. So it was like that. So in fact कभी-कभी तो होता था when he is coming back from office, he used to tell me आज तुम दोनों लड़ नहीं रहे. So it was like that. It had become really worse, and he wanted to go away from here. उसको लगता था कि मैं यहाँ से चले जाऊँ. So he always found his nanny's house, because he has his cousin there. He could play there. So, but then my brother also noticed him, कि something is wrong. Something is wrong. He is being frustrated, and then he said that you can, just join Parvarish and see for 2 days you see. But he told me to do the longer program. He told me. So when I came for the for 2 days program, I had in my mind that I will be doing. But then again, when I did 2-day program, I thought, यार हो गया है, मतलब I know how to handle it. I can do that, so I don't need to do that. I called him again. I said, अच्छा यार हो गया यार, I think I can handle him now, and अच्छे सब में से share भी कर रहा है वो. But then he said, no, don't, just don't ignore it, and just go for the longer program, and you'll learn a lot. When I joined the longer program, I had a lot of issues, and I contacted sir also, like, sir, I have these issues, I want to solve these. But every time he used to say, just be with the process. So as I've talked to my brother also, so he was also like, just be with the process, just go what he says, and just implement what he says. So so in the first half there was the things which I experienced was a lot of connection with my son. And the letter which I wrote, the first resistance was the letter, writing a letter to my parents. So that was the biggest resistance. And I was like, yaar, ye kya hai? Matlab, why it is, why I'm writing this letter? So, and it made me cry, and my parents also, it made them cry a lot. So that time only to implement, I did that, but I didn't know the reason why we are doing this. So, but then after I did it, so I felt very light, and in fact I would say I became more close to my parents more. Like इतने सालों में मैं जितने close नहीं थी, शायद वो letter पढ़ के I became more closer to them. And yes, I did read the letter to my son also, and he hugged me and he kissed me, and that moment was so nice. He loved me so much. When I read the letter, I apologized, I confessed that what all I've done with you is, I'm sorry for that. So that moment was great. And after that, there was one question which we were supposed to ask him, which I was supposed to ask him, and that what do you want from your life? So that question, that was a miraculous question for him. It opened. He did so much sharing. He shared with me for 3 hours. He shared with me like what actually he wants in his life. So not the materialistic things, but actually what he wants to do, what he wants in his life, what he wants, And he shared with me like 11 o'clock in the night. We started 2 o'clock till 2 o'clock. He kept sharing. That 5-year-old, 6-year-old child, when he was 5-year-old, that time he used to the way he used to talk. So I was like, bilkul ekdam, that moment came in front of me. The connection was not only with Daksh, basically it was with all the family members. So that was the best part. A child should be responsible of his own work. Earlier I was like, yeah, tu bas pad le, baki sab kaam main karungi. So it was like that with me. So but then I realized that he has to realize his own responsibilities, and then only he will know that studying is also his own responsibility. It's not my responsibility to make him study. So that was a major shift. There is a big shift in him. Like, he's helping me in the kitchen sometimes. Like, when guests comes, he helps me in the kitchen. And so it's now his responsibility to keep all the utensils from his room to the kitchen. So organizing his cupboard, his table. So that was a major shift, which I thought, which was there in Touch, that he is now understanding his own responsibility. That this is his work. It's not mama's work to keep the utensils in the kitchen, to keep the clothes in the cupboard. So there was a lot of resistance from my side, and I was like, he being a boy, I was very resistant to talk to him, because he's grown up now. He's not a small kid. So, but he accepted it very well. I mean, I was surprised that he listened to the conversation, to what I said and what I explained him. He listened it very well, although he knew a lot of stuff he knew already. So, but it was a good conversation. I mean, I did not expect that. I think the sharing part is the amazing thing, which I had never done before I joined this program. I mean, that's really great, and I never focused on that before. Due to which there was a lot of aggression, and the relationship was getting spoiled, due to which and I was in fact planning to send him to the hostel, because he was not listening to me, and there was all the time there was the atmosphere which was developed at home. So, I mean, that the sessions, it changed, it changed my life. It made a difference in my life entirely. And I grew as a mother. Especially, I grew as a mother. What thought process I changed. So it changed the environment of the whole house. Like, I have grown a lot as a mother. I mean, ek mother ka role, what I always thought, was it's completely changed for me. So मेरे लिए तो एक ये बहुत बड़ा change है. I've completely changed as a mother. मतलब मुझे लगता था यार, how families they stay as friends. मतलब मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि कैसे वो friends के जैसे कैसे रहते हैं. But now I can be friendly with Touch. मतलब हम खूब खेलते हैं. हमने अपनी डाइनिंग टेबल, हमने अपनी टेबल टेनिस टेबल बना दी है. Like, so half an hour we play music in the night. I started playing PS4 with him. So I mean, it's so loving the relationship is now. I mean, I would have known this when he was born, and especially after giving responsibility to him. Like, my mind is so relieved. I'm so relieved. यार, मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो सारा दिन एक रहता था इसको, Touch, I have to tell him do this, do that. So it was, full day was like that, and it was like after 14 years, I and my husband could go out for an outing. For a day, like, we could go out. मुझे तो ये लगता है यार, स्कूल में, कॉलेज में कुछ तो थोड़ा सा टॉपिक डालना चाहिए पेरेंटिंग का. Just learn the processes. I mean, it's for our children, for their future. We have to make world a better place to live in, a happy place to live in. So just don't delay and be here. Just have happy parenting with them, because our children need us. I mean, especially teenagers, not only teenagers, they need us more than anyone else. So we have to be there with them. Instead, they go out and they spoil their lives. Let us be close with our own children.